So many subordinate legislations that have been brought in, so many rules that have been brought in, so many regulations that have been brought in. So there was no proper structure for the whole act, which is why a proper structural difference was supposed to be brought in, and which was done with the formation of this new Videyak, which is Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak, sir. And like I said, the first thing we have tried to address is structurize the whole bill. And we have structurized by giving DGCA a separate chapter. We have told what is DGCA and what are the powers of DGCA, which is the Director General of Civil Aviation. And also we have BCAS, which is Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Similarly, we have another separate structure for it, a separate chapter, and also the functions and the powers have been properly listed out. And also AIB, which is Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, and powers of central government. जो पहले ऐसा होता था कि पावर्स कहीं और लिखे हुए हैं और इसके जो फंक्शंस है कहीं और लिखे हुए हैं, रूल्स कहीं और लिखे हुए हैं, तो आईकेओ का भी ऑब्जर्वेशन था कि सब एक प्रिंसिपल एक्ट में होना चाहिए जो एक हार्मनी क्रिएट करता है सिविल एविएशन का. तो वो हार्मनी हम लेके आए हैं सर अभी ये सिविल एविएशन में इस बिल के तहत. एंड अदर देन दिस we have tried to reduce the redundancies और जो gaps होते थे पहले इसके एक्ट में उसको भी हम करने की कोशिश ये भारतीय वायुयान विधेयक के साथ हम लेके आए. इसके बाद दूसरी चीज जो डेफिनेशंस हमने ऐड किया, we have brought in definitions for design, maintenance and manufacture into the bill. जो previous bill था Indian Aircraft Act, तो उसमें we didn't have design at all, we didn't have the word maintenance at all, and there was just manufacture as a word, but it was not defined. But today, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji, we see a strong sense of Atmanirbharta being formed in this country, sir. And civil aviation taking an inspiration from that Atmanirbharta, we are imagining, we are trying to achieve a position for India in the future where not only we are operating planes in this country, we are designing planes, we are manufacturing planes, and we want to export planes to the whole world also, and that is the situation we want to create, and that is going to happen, exactly that is going to happen because of this Bharat Vayuyan Videyak that is going to come, sir. And especially the word design we have added. The design, adding of the word design is going to create an area where a lot of industry players are going to come, which is going to improve the design area of the manufacturing, sir. Already, HAL is manufacturing Hindustan 228, which is a 19-seater plane. Dhruv is there from HAL, which is a 14-seater helicopter. And also NAL is also making another plane. Now, if you add this, if you bring in these changes in the legislation, then the state of design, ICAO will recognize